Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and sinking funds for the week of March the 6th. So I have gone to the bank, went to the ATM, pulled some money out, and of course I have my sinking funds and cash envelopes here. So let's go ahead and count this. You guys know how much I'm stuffing this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, and 20. So lots of money to stuff this week. Let's start with cash envelopes. So a first envelope that I have is gas for my car. I have a 2014, 2015 Kia Soul. I don't remember the year, but it has pretty much full tank of gas. I already had 20 in here, but I am going to add another 20 because that's going to give me another full tank of gas. And I'm just going to be budgeting $0 for gas until I have to fill up the next time. So this is fully funded for a while because I don't really go a whole lot of places these days. Groceries. Now, I did do a Walmart delivery order, which somebody called me out. Thank you so much. I forgot that one of my rules for my no spend was that I was only going to do grocery delivery if I was sick. I'm definitely not sick. I was just thinking like it was Friday. I gotten paid. I was like, man, it would really be nice to go ahead and just do the delivery order so I could film a video and not have to get out of the house. I stayed on budget, so that's good. But thank you to whoever it was that called me out because I've been doing really good on the no spend as far as like not spending money on any extra things that are outside of like YouTube or Etsy expenses. So, I feel really good about where I'm at in the no spend. But with that being said, I am going to go ahead and stuff $100 because I want to have the money in here so I can go do my shopping on Friday. And I don't think that I will get to film the next week's cash envelope stuffing before I need to go shopping. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I'm definitely not spending it before this Friday. And then that would carry me through until my next paycheck. So this is all that's going to go in here because I've already spent the other 100. All right, next is lawn care. Our guy hasn't come back out, and I still have 70 in here, 75, 20, 40, 60, 75. That's just hanging out in this envelope for him. We had some pretty strong storms, so I do need him to come by and just clean up the yard, get all the debris picked up and hauled off. Now, Carol Ann, I did cash up her $160 for her allowance. That's actually been working out really well for her, just to cash app it instead of giving her cash. Okay, sinking funds. First is car insurance, and as of the last stuffing, I had 40, and I am going to be adding 20 to this today, so that'll give me 60. And today is Monday the 6th. Plus 20 is 60. So 20, 40, 60 in car insurance. I just paid my 6-month premium at the 1st of March. And so now I am saving up for the next 6-month premium. All right, next is baby. I have a new grandbaby on the way. I'm super excited. And I have 40 in here. I don't have a tracker. I really need to get one in here. But I have 40, and then I'm going to be adding 20, which is 60. So 20, 40, 60. And the money in this envelope will be used for the baby shower, my daughter and I, and all the great-grandparents, and my ex's girlfriend. We're all putting this baby shower on together, which is really exciting. So I'm going to need some money for decorations and some other things, in addition to just like my gift. Speaking of gifts, this is my gift envelope. And as of the last stuffing, I had 110, and I am adding 20 today. Now, this Friday, I do have the birthday party we're going to be having for my twins. They are turning 26, and I am going to give them $50 a piece. So I'm going to add 20, and that'll give me 130. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30. So I think $50 a piece is a nice birthday gift. So that'll definitely knock me down to 30 bucks in this envelope. Let's see, what else do we have? Car maintenance. Still haven't gone to get my oil change done. I have 180 in here. We're going to be adding 20, so that'll give me 200. So 36 plus 20 is 200. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. And I guess I pulled out too much money. I feel like I've pulled out either too much money or I forgot to stuff money into an envelope. What have I done? Hang on. Gifts has the money. Baby has the money. Car insurance has money. I don't know what the heck I just did. Groceries, gas. Maybe I pulled out too much just for this week, because Fur Babies is only getting 22. What the heck did I do? I don't know what I've done, y'all. So $20 for Fur Babies. That'll give me 144. Chewy's going to need to get more medicine. He has pancreatitis, which the vet said he's going to need to take medication for the rest of his life, and so we will need to get his medications filled. So I will be using some of this money for that. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And he's also on special food, which Carol Ann paid for. It was like, it's the Hills, is it Science Diet? I don't know. It's whatever they sell at the vet. What did I do? 20, 40, 60, 81. This is what I have left for next week. So I'd need 20, 40, 60, 81 for sinking funds. And, oh, I know what it is. Spending. That's the envelope that I'm missing. This is for the cleaning ladies. I was like, what in the heck? Because I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 for sinking funds, and then $20 for, okay. Yeah, no, this is for next week. I don't want to do anything with that. It's just going to go in my pile. This is for the cleaning ladies. I don't know what the heck I did with that envelope, though. I definitely don't have it in my bag. So this is for the cleaning ladies. They will be here on Wednesday. So this is for them. I don't know what I did with that envelope. I'm going to have to find it. But all right, glad that I figured that out. All right, well, that is everything for today's stuffing. Again, this is for week of March 6th. And so thanks so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.